Ayubowan, good day everyone. Once again, a warm welcome to Mapora YouTube channel. Today we are starting a very important topic, maps. Something we encounter very often, but many people do not have a proper understanding of the subject known as cartography. Simply explained, cartography is a field that combines science, art and technology to create maps in a flexible and meaningful way. In today's video, we will discuss the importance of cartography, the role of a cartographer, the development of cartography, traditional and modern cartography, the relationship between cartography, GIS, remote sensing and surveying, and the applications of cartography. Importance of cartography. Maps are not just simple drawings. They are tools of communication. Maps help us to understand data, information, and research findings clearly and accurately. Through cartography, we can easily understand places, relationships, sizes, and change the world. Role of a cartographer. A cartographer is the person who creates maps. That person is like an artist. And just like telling a story, a cartographer tells a story of the world through a map. Development of cartography. Maps did not begin with modern digital technology. Our ancestors created maps on stones, clay, and tree bark. Later, through explorers, surveyors, scientists, and satellites, cartography has evolved into today's digital and dynamic map design. Traditional and modern cartography. Traditional cartography includes hard-drawn maps, paper maps, and manual measurements. Modern cartography uses tools such as GIS, remote sensing, QGIS, ArcGIS, and Google Earth. Today, maps can be updated in real time and we can interact, zoom, measure, and analyze them easily. The relationship between cartography, GIS, surveying, and remote sensing. Cartography is the process of designing maps. GIS is used for data analysis. Surveying involves ground measurements. Remote sensing uses satellites, drones, and cameras to capture data. All these systems work together as one integrated system. Importance of cartography. Cartography is extremely important. We use it for navigation, planning, research, disaster management, development projects, tourism, transportation, and environmental studies. It supports and improves many different fields. Today we completed the basic introduction to cartography. A map is not just a simple picture. It is a story told through data. In the next video, we will explore what are the purposes and functions of map. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Let's explore the world of maps together with Mapora. Thank you very much. Mapora, learning made easy.